Embark with us as we sail from Piraeus, Greece. Yes, I did say Greece. So, for those of you who have always had Greece on your bucket list, I would say come with us. Don't know Verona? We can fix that very, very easily because Greece, if it's in your dreams, this collection of islands, the best way to see Greece is by cruise. And not just any cruise, you see. As you want a cruise that is small enough to sail directly into ports, but large enough to give you an experience of a lifetime. And of course, this is our 7 night heavenly Greece, Italy, and Croatia sailing. I'm not going to pretend that I can pronounce all the names of all the places that we'll visit. Of course I can't. I don't speak Greek. But what I do speak is fun and excitement. So we're gonna share the itinerary with you. It's in our description below. So do remember to just toddle over and see for yourself what awaits you. Ah, by the way, we depart the 17th of October 2026 and we return the 24th of October 2026. And of course, the fun in between includes some extras that you can only get through this booking group here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts. Some of our add-ons include our shore excursion discount. That's no longer running. This came to an end in 2024, but because of the exclusivity of Verona's birthday group, you will enjoy $165 shore excursion credit. And we will take you to those ports that you've only seen in the movies. That's not all, however. We have a few additional things that will make you go, oh! We're giving you money to spend on board, guys. Up to 120 euros per cabin. We have strawberries and sparkling wine awaiting you as you arrive in your stateroom. And do not forget our group cocktail event. As you arrive, you're trying to figure out where, what, when, and how. You will meet some fascinating persons and the Lady Verona herself at this amazing cocktail event. So your only question now is, how do I sign up? So happy you asked. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We are the host for this 60th birthday sailing. And you know our numbers: 876 527 4098, 347 757 6728. Don't forget, this is a family-friendly event. So if you want the benefits of this group without being a part of the group, but still being on the ship with us, we can make that happen too. We will take all ages and your family will have a multi-generational experience second to none.